Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine and welcome to a new video. So guys, in this video we will discuss about the important chapter and on priority you need to complete those chapter of CMA final direct taxation. And yes, easily you can score 60 plus in CMA final DT paper number 16. Okay, so I will try to explain the most important and you need to do on priority. Okay, so guys, we have three sections. Okay, section A 50 mark, section B international taxation 30 mark, and case study based section C 20 mark. Okay, so guys, it is my humble request to everyone, if you want to get clear your CMA final paper number 16 as soon as possible or with easy manner or 60 plus or 70 plus. So first of all, you need to on priority section B international taxation. It is very easy. Okay, the important topic on international taxation is arm length principle. Okay, five method, and most important that in every exam one method or two method practical question come from these five method. Okay, sometime two questions from these out of five method. So arm length principle or price, you can say that. Okay, and advanced ruling, advanced agreement. Okay, apart from this, case study analysis. Case study, for case study only refer study material. Okay, if you complete case study from study material, that is sufficient. No need to refer any reference book. But if you want to buy any reference book, so without any questioning or without any doubt, I always refer Bhavan Buana, आपके BB sir यानी Bhavar Burana sir. Okay, their books are very good and lot of many earlier student also get benefited from these book. Okay, I am accepting that 100% same syllabus will not available. Okay, CMA 80 to 85% will be the same, so get the benefit of pro 80 or 85%. Okay, so first of all, the main priority is international taxation. 30 marks free of cost. International taxation is very easy. Okay, then you need to come with case study analysis 20 marks, so 50 mark is in your pocket. So come to the important topic for international taxation. Let's come to the international taxation. But after watching this video, have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. In any other subject you have doubt, you can ask me any other related with CMA final. Okay, so hope you understand. The important one of the important topic is advance pricing agreement or effect to advance pricing agreement. Okay, hope you understand. Transfer pricing officer, arm length price, five method. Okay, you have a good command over five method, very easy method. Total question from you can say that 20, maximum 20 to 30 questions. Okay, from arm length price, five method. You can read out the other aspect, but the important are arm length price or principle, you can say that. So hope you understand that. Apart from this section C, case study based, refer study material only. Okay, so let's come to the section 1, which is 50 mark. But apart from before starting CMA final taxation, I am expecting and assuming that every CMA student have done five head of income. You have already studied in your inter. Okay, so yes, these five head will also helpful in CMA final also. So you have a good command over these five head of income, which you have already studied in CMA inter. Chapter 1, assessment of various entities. Yes, very important one of non-resident. You can read one or two times. Return on income two or three times. Mostly MCQ will come from return of income. Okay. Assessment procedure. You can read out MCQ 2 or 3 mark theoretical portion or case study based question will come from this. Entrance. Yes, you can do the same. Search, survey, search, and Caesar 3 to 5 mark or 1 or 2 mark from MCQ. Collection, recovery, and refund two time you can revise with speed. Appeal, rectification, revision, settlement, mostly theoretical portion. Yes, you two time you can read. Advanced ruling, yes, you can read out. Two time is enough. Penalties and prosecution, yes, you can read out. Business restructuring and reorganization, important, yes. Different aspect of tax planning, yes, you can read out two time. Income tax authorities, yes, you can read out two time. Only from study material itself sufficient. Liability in special cases, theoretical portion. Income computation and disclosure standard, yes, you can read out. Black money and imposition of act you can do, but it is not that much important. Black money and imposition of tax act, if you want, you can ignore the chapter. But now come to the section B, international taxation, arm length price, and there are five method. Okay, 100% command over these five methods. They are very important. 100% one or two questions of practical will come from this. Okay, advance ruling agreement, advance ruling price. Case study is sufficient itself from study material. So this is all about direct taxation of CMA final. Apart from this, you have a good command over five head of income. If you have a good command over five head of income, then easily CMA final will become easy for you. So hope you understand. Apart from this, and after watching this video, have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. And apart from this, soon I will come such kind of remaining CMA final subjects, how to score 60 plus or 70 plus easily we can score, and what is the important chapters. Okay, and yes, you can after two time revision of CMA final direct taxation. So guys, you need to complete the past year paper suggested answer, which is available on institute site easily. Okay, and soon institute will upload the Janikis new pattern paper. Okay, so hope you understand, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. So that's all about in this video. Bye guys.